Yes.
Hello, friends and YouTube companions wherever you are. Welcome to Kedabuan Hill today. Let's keep watching, guys. There's a truck being helped by another truck because it can't make it up this very extreme Kedabuan incline. And the Kedabunan incline is a connecting route between the province Sumatra and the province of Aceh. Let's monitor again one unit of a cold diesel truck loaded with palm oil seedlings climbing the Kedabuan incline. If the load is according to the standard, God willing, the vehicle is under control. Okay, all, let's monitor again one yellow Fusotrang. Trying carrying 30 tons up the Kedabuan incline. Here it is, guys. This truck is heading to the province of Aceh carrying materials such as food or aid for Aceh. Here it is, guys. Hopefully this truck arrives safely at its destination. Don't forget to like and subscribe from Indonesia. Raya.